Good morning, children. Today I'm going to teach you English. And from English, we are going to learn phonic words. In phonic words, we are going to learn the two new phonic families. See, END word family and AND word family. Are you going to learn with me? Yes. Okay. Children, first we'll see the sound of AND word family. Children, AND says and. AND and. AND and. Now we are going to see the pictures. Tell me, children, what is this? Yes, this is a hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Tell me, children, what you see? Yes, the girl is playing in a sand. S-A-N-D, sand. S-A-N-D, sand. S-A-N-D, sand. Tell me, children, what is this? Yes, this is a piece of land. L-A-N-D, land. L-A-N-D, land. L-A-N-D, land. Okay, children, what is this? Yes, this is the stick. Yes, stick of an angel who shows the magic from her stick like abracadabra choo, right? Remember? Yes. So, what this stick is called? Yes, this stick is called wand. W-A-N-D, wand. W-A-N-D, wand. W-A-N-D, wand. Okay, tell me, what you see? Yes, the children are playing music. They have formed a band. B-A-N-D, band. B-A-N-D, band. B-A-N-D, band. Oh, now we are going to see the next word family, and that is E-N-D, end. E-N-D, end. Let's see the pictures now. Yes, what the girl is doing? Yes, she is doing exercise and she is bending down. B-E-N-D, bend. B-E-N-D, bend. B-E-N-D, bend. Yes, children, what you see? Yes, you're seeing a mobile. And what you do on that mobile? You're sending the messages. Yes? S-E-N-D, send. S-E-N-D, send. S-E-N-D, send. Okay, children, what you see? Yes, one boy has fallen down and the other is helping him by lending his hand for help. So, L-E-N-D, lend. L-E-N-D, lend. L-E-N-D, lend. Who is he? Yes, he's a cobbler. He's a cobbler. And what he's doing? Yes, he's mending the shoes. M-E-N-D, mend. M-E-N-D, mend. Now it's activity time for you all. Are you going to do with me? Yes. So let's get started. Okay children, in this worksheet, we are going to match the correct word with the correct picture. Are you ready? Okay. H-A-N-D, hand. Hand, no. Hand, no. Hand, no. Hand, yes. So, we are going to match hand with the hand picture. B-A-N-D, band. B-A-N-D, band. Where you see the band? Yes, here is a band. So, we are going to match the band word with the band picture. S-A-N-D, sand. S-A-N-D, sand. Where you see the sand? Yes, here is a sand. S-A-N-D, sand. We are going to match. L-A-N-D, land. L-A-N-D, land. Land, no. Land, yes. L-A-N-D, land. Okay. W-A-N-D, wand. W-A-N-D, wand. And where you see the wand? Yes, here is a wand. So we are going to match. Understood children? Now children, this is the second worksheet. In this worksheet also, we have to match with the correct picture. Okay. B-E-N-D, bend. B-E-N-D, bend. Bend, no. Bend, no. Bend, no. Bend, yes. So we are going to match the word with the picture. S-E-N-D, send. S-E-N-D, send. Yes, here is the picture for send. So we are going to match with the picture. L-E-N-D, lend. L-E-N-D, lend. Yes, here is the picture. So we are going to match with the correct picture. M-E-N-D, mend. M-E-N-D, mend. And here is the cobbler who is mending the shoes. So, mend word match with the cobbler. Okay. Understood? Yes. Okay children. This is your English notebook. Red and blue line English notebook. In this you have to practice the words which we have learnt in this session. See, like this you have to write. Here you are going to write the date. This is the month, that is 9. 2020 is a year. And on the top you are going to write A-N-D dictation words. Number 1, H-A-N-D, hand. Number 2, S-A-N-D, sand. Number 3, L-A-N-D, land. Number 4, W-A-N-D, wand. Number 5, B-A-N-D, band. On the next page also children, you have to write the date first on the top. Here you are going to write the today's date. 9 is a month, 2020 is a year. And you have to write on the top the heading E-N-D dictation words. Number 1, B-E-N-D, bend. S-E-N-D, send. L-E-N-D, lend. M-E-N-D, mend. T-E-N-D, tend. Understood, children? So, children, what we have learned today? Yes, we have learned two phonic families, that is END and AND word family. You all have to learn and practice. We will meet in another session. Till then, bye-bye.